Morning everybody. This is our maths input for today, so let's have a look. Fluency today, it's Tuesday, that means it's our fluency for the week. So let's have a look. Multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit. So yesterday we looked at repeated addition and how that can help us with thinking about multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. So let's have a look at some more repeated addition, see if you can complete the calculations. So let's have a look at what we have. So we have some Numicon here on the screen, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 rows of 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So I've got a 10 there, and I've also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got a 5. So 10 add 5 is 15. So I'm going to do 15, add 15, add 15. And I'm going to pop that in these boxes here to show my repeated addition. What then, I wonder, would we do in this box? We've got a multiplication calculation here. So I've got 1, 2, 3 lots of 15. So that is exactly what I'm going to write. So let's have a look how I would write it here. So I had 15, add 15, add 15, and then I've got 15 times 3. Now I'm going to look for the answer here. So what I could do is I could first of all add up all of my 10s if I was using my repeated addition. So I could do 10, 20, 30. I might just jot that down up in the corner here so I remember that. And I could do 5, add 5, add 5, which is 15, add to my 30 to make 45. Or I could do it in our column method like we had a look at yesterday. I'll do 15 times 3, just like my calculation here. And then I'd start off with my 1s. So 5 times 3 is, what is 5 times 3? Let me think. 5, 10, 15. Brilliant. And then 1 times 3 is 3. But then I've got this 1 here, and it is 45. Brilliant. Let's double check that that is the right answer. Perfect. There you can see we've got our repeated addition here and our column. Brilliant. This is looking great. Can't wait to see what you're going to send through. Okay, so now we have a place value grid. Oh, we looked at these yesterday, didn't we? What is it asking us to do? So we've got to look at the place value grid and complete the calculation. Oh, easy peasy. Maybe this one. Let's have a look then. I've got 2 10s and 1 1. What number is that? 21. How many times have I got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was easy. It's there for us. So I'm going to start with 21 times 4. Let's have a look what that would look like. 21 times 4. Look how I'm using my whiteboard for my working out. You can use your books for this. I'd love to see you working out. I'm going to start with 1 times 4, which is 4, and then 2 times 4, which is 8. 84. Wow. Oh, now this looks a bit more trickier. We've got a whole part model here. Then we've got a calculation. True or false? 22 times 4. 24 times 2. Getting all my words mixed up this morning. Is 48. Now it shows me a whole part model here. Now I think it's been pretty reliable so far using the column method. method, so I might try that first. Now, 24 times 2 is my calculation. I'll start with 4 times 2, which is 8, and then 2 times 2, which is 4. 48. Now, I'm pretty happy with that it is the correct answer. I'm going to say true for that one. Now, oh, I forgot that slipped up there. So now you can always then, if you've used a column method or if you use a whole part model, double check with either one of them. But I think using the column method was pretty reliable for me, and it made me give an accurate answer with proof, with evidence. That was good. Okay, now challenges. Oof. Now we've just been through lots of different things for our maths this morning, and what I want you to do is, if you have a look at challenge 1, it's using that repeated addition skill again. So you're going to have to fill out here all of your repeated addition. Okay, then you're going to have to tell me what the calculation is there. I could definitely do with seeing things like this on your whiteboard. So your formal written method of multiplication here, that would be really, if you wanted to write out again your repeated addition like this, absolutely fine. Love to see some working out, because then it shows that you really have understood how to use the methods that we've had a look at, and also you can always double check, and then if you've gone wrong somewhere, then you know exactly where you've gone wrong. Okay, so that's star 1 today. Remember, star 1 is always what we expect of year 3. And as the challenges go on, we go into that greater depth there. So that is fine. Question 2, challenge 2. We've got some more place value grids here. So you just need to be really careful, making sure that the numbers, you're not adding all the numbers up together. It is just these boxes here, just like I did. So you're looking at how many 10s, how many 1s you've got in one row, and then it's time how many rows there is. Okay, so star 3 and 4, let's have a look. Star 3 now, we're looking more at whole part models. Now, because we're star 3, because we're getting into that greater depth, you are having to write out your own calculations now. There's not, there's not numbers in there to help you. You've got to really think about completing the whole part model and then doing the corresponding, the matching calculation to help you with that. So it's quite tricky stuff. We're moving very quickly into the hard stuff. So up to you, pick your challenge. Star 4 then, let's have a look. We've got some true or false. Now, you're going to have to work out again what the calculation is. So, and then you need to show me, is it true or is it false? Okay, star 5 then. Oh dear, we've got something white over there. So it's use the place value grids to complete the calculation and work out the answers. Now, as you can see, the calculations are not done for you. So you're going to have to make sure that you are writing the calculations correctly. Now, it's tricky, so you need to make sure you're careful. Again, love to see some of your lovely working out. That would be great. And then obviously send through to me on Google Classrooms, and I can have a look and we can go from there. Thank you ever so much, boys and girls. Can't wait to see all your work.